In this tutorial, we will create a clip animation to reveal a CAD drawing. Create your scene by loading a point cloud and importing a drawing. To create the clipping plane, open the cross-section tool. Select plane and choose the preferred orientation. For this tutorial, we'll use a vertical plane. In the View window, select 2 points to align the plane's orientation. Click Create. Now modify the plane's properties to determine which objects it will clip. For this example, unselect the point cloud to clip only the CAD objects. Use the Transform tool to set the starting position of the plane. Add a keyframe to set its position. Move the playhead in the animation window and adjust the plane's position. Then add another keyframe. Finally, animate the camera to complement your scene. Preview the animation. Make any final adjustments and export your video. Thanks for watching.